Okay, everybody. I'm typically gonna post one video for like the homework review, and then another video for whatever's next. Okay, so here's the homework review from that first assignment on this. So, just to review, this is talking about how many possibilities something is. Okay, so if we were in class, I love to do this thing about like our lunchroom and how many different ways you could make a sandwich. If you ever gone through our sandwich line, you pick turkey, beef, different cheese, different condiments, all those types of things. All right, and then we talk about like the Subway commercial or Jimmy John's or whatever. They say there's, so many million ways to make a sandwich. Well, that number gets so high because of all the different combinations. Okay. All right. So on this, I told you guys to do the odds. We'll quickly go through it. All right. And then there'll be another video for the next lesson. Okay. So this says can be repeated, cannot be repeated. Okay. So I looked at a couple of your homeworks. Okay. And some people didn't do it twice, some people did. All right. And then there's some other things that I noticed, down in the other parts of the homework. All right. So 3 digits. All right. So digits, there's always 10 digits, 0 through 9. Okay. Oh, what happened? Okay. And then letters, there's obviously 26 letters in the alphabet. Okay. So if it cannot be repeated, okay, or I'm sorry, if it can be repeated, that means you could use your favorite letter over and over and over again. You could use your favorite number over again. Okay. So my favorite number is 3. Okay. So I could use 3 over and over and over again. So I have 10 numbers to choose from. All right, now I got to do 3 numbers. So I have another 10 and I have another 10. Okay. When you cannot repeat, I have 10 numbers to choose from. All right. But then after I use a number, I don't get to use it again. So now when I think about like what number do I want to use, I don't have 10 anymore. I only have 9. And then I only have 8. Okay. All right. 3 letters. If I'm going to use my favorite letter over and over and over again, I could keep using it. Okay. Whereas over here, I have 26 to choose from first, but then now, okay, my favorite letter is A. Now I got to think about what's my next letter, but A's not in the pile anymore because I can't reuse it. Okay, so 26 becomes 25 and then 24. Okay, all right, so I should do this with the answer key, so. These are going to be huge numbers, okay? So don't be shocked by that. All right. Guys, my advice, please, if you're going to be doing a bunch of this work, download a free calculator. The iPhone calculator that it comes with, it's just not very good for anything besides, some basic multiply, okay? So when they ask you to do some different things, it's just not that good, okay? All right, 1 letter followed by 4 digits. 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay. Now, the cannot repeat number is always going to be less because you don't get to use the same letters over again. So, of course, there's less choices. Okay. So 26 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7. Think about that. You're multiplying by 9, 8, 7 instead of 10, 10, 10. Okay. 26 times 10 times 9 times 8 times 7. Okay, all right. This is just a calculator issue. All right, so 8 factorial. All right, 40,320. Okay, 12 factorial. Holy cow, it's a huge number. 479 million. 1,600. Okay. All right. Don't worry too much about this. If you have a calculator that has a nice button, okay, of course, you can do it. Okay. That's 2. And 4, 2. That's 12. All right, the calculator I found, it has a P button, and it has 2 spots like this. You just put the first number and then the second number right there. And that just does it for you. Okay, that's just a calculator issue. Okay, all right, this is the factorial we talked about. This is 3 factorial, so that's 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 factorial. No repeats. 40,320. Okay. Now, I was looking at those of you who turned some stuff in, all right, and some of you guys missed that there's repeats. So the A repeats twice. So that's what you want to write out. Okay, and what else? Anything? No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Okay, so that's just 2. So 7 factorial divided by 2. Okay, so this is 2,520. Okay, Alabama. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 factorial divided by, now A, 4 factorial. Okay, so 7 factorial divided by 4 factorial. Okay, guys, the app I'm using for my calculator, it's like a bluish, it's like a light blue, kind of, and it's got this infinity symbol in it. There's a free version. I paid for it, I think, because I don't want the ads. It is well worth, okay, the download. Don't pay for it, but it's free. Okay. The iPhone calculator is just not that good for anything more than multiplying stuff like that. If you have to turn it sideways, it's just not that good. All right, pizza shop. Okay, choice of 7 cheeses, 11 veggies, 6 meats. Okay, and 3 crusts and 2 sausages. That's all you got to do. You just got to multiply all the choices. Okay. 7 times 11 times 6 times 3 times 2. 2,772 ways to make a pizza. Okay. All right, think about that when you're ordering out. Stay safe. Stay inside. Wash your hands.